typhoons.
With typhoons. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time, but I'm back. Anyways, as you guys can see from the title, I'll be in a carnival look. You know, carnival will come up when I get to go. So I'm doing a makeup look right now. So just stay tuned to see what I got here.
I was introduced to carnival, they say I lose all down on the ground, walking up my bottom and it dragging all over tongue, and they say I lose it, lose it, I sweeter than juicy. This carnival have me so damn loose. Get loose away, get loose away, get loose away, get loose away. Loose, I looser than loose. Sweeter than juicy. This carnival have me so damn loose. Get loose away, get loose away, get loose away. Loosen your way, kill them with the pain. Now show me your tactics, show me your went and practice. Lucy is a carnivalist, and that is why I behave so loose. All down on the ground, walking up my bottom, and it's dragging all over tongue, and they call it Lucy. I lose it.
How you bad so? How you bad so? How you rude so? I wanna take a little piece of that. Just give me permission to walk you. Hey, cause any whining girl, I don't want to interrupt you. See, I'm telling you, baby, the way you're behaving. When you whine like that, tell nobody to stop you. Oh Lord, I wanna go down. Let me see the waistline go wrong. Bubble to the baseline, you can't sit down. Girl, you can't sit down. Don't stick now, we can't go long. And you got the realest bumper in this town. It's the way you move it up and down. And the size and the shape is the way that you whine and the jiggle of the waist. That bumper is too real, it's dangerous. I wanna whine but it looking dangerous. I wanna whine but it could be danger. And I just want to grind on you, girl, it's too real, it's dangerous. I wanna whine but it looking dangerous. I wanna whine but it could be danger. And I just want to grind on you. You was born for this, I can feel it all for this. You're walking up and I like it so. I say you was born for this. I love the way you're performing this. When you're whining, baby, whoa. Girl, you make me be last sweat. And we ain't wine yet, no. I'm watching you wine and you know that I'm watching you, so that you dip and go down. Make me be last sweat, and we ain't wine yet, no. No, I wonder how that.
Ready for jump on line and go on bad. Just kidding.
Behind you just feel it's too real, yeah. I get in position to walk you, look, girl. I'm gonna do something